Hey everyone, welcome to Health Hustle. I'm here to talk about a true superfood, spinach. We all know it's good for us, but did you know spinach is like the overachiever of the vegetable world? It's packed with more nutrients than you can imagine, and today, I'm breaking down exactly why spinach deserves a spot on your plate. We're diving deep into the amazing benefits of this leafy green, from boosting your heart health to supporting your digestion. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be swapping out your salads for spinach and craving smoothies packed with this green goodness. So if you're ready to unlock a healthier you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more healthy living tips, and let's get started. Now let's talk vitamins. Spinach is like a multivitamin you can eat. We're talking vitamins A, C, K, and even a bunch of those B vitamins we need for energy and mood. And hold on, we're not done yet. Spinach is also loaded with essential minerals like iron. You know, iron, that's what helps our red blood cells carry oxygen throughout our bodies. And let's not forget magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for muscle function, nerve function, and even helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's pretty incredible how much goodness is packed into one leafy green. So, whether you're trying to boost your energy, support your immune system, or just feel your best, spinach has got you covered. One of the most significant benefits of spinach is its incredible ability to support a healthy heart. And when I say heart health, I'm talking about reducing the risk of heart disease, lowering blood pressure, and improving blood vessel function. How does spinach do all of this? Well, it's packed with antioxidants, and I'm talking about powerful antioxidants like lutein. Lutein is like a superhero for your blood vessels. It helps protect them from damage, improves blood flow, and can even help lower those bad cholesterol levels. So, if you're looking for a delicious and easy way to show your heart some love, adding more spinach to your diet is a no-brainer. Ever feel weighed down and sluggish after a meal? Well, spinach can help with that too. It's an excellent source of fiber, which is like a scrub brush for your digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, which helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Plus, spinach is high in water content, which is crucial for staying hydrated and supporting healthy digestion. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestion, reduce bloating and feel lighter and more energized, spinach is your new best friend. Enhances bone health. Strong bones are essential for an active and healthy life, and guess what? Spinach can help with that too. It's all thanks to its impressive levels of vitamin K. Now, vitamin K is like a construction worker for your bones. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong, healthy bones. And here's the thing, as we age, our bone density naturally declines, increasing the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens the bones and makes them more prone to fractures. But by incorporating spinach into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to support bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis as you get older. Good for eye health. Let's talk about those peepers for a second. Spinach isn't just good for your heart, digestion, and bones, it's also amazing for your eyes. Remember those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier like lutein? Well, spinach is also packed with another antioxidant called zeaxanthin. Together, lutein and zeaxanthin act like sunglasses for your eyes, protecting them from harmful UV rays that can damage your vision over time. These antioxidants may also reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions that can lead to vision loss. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal, but chronic inflammation? That's when things start to go downhill. It's linked to a whole host of health problems from heart disease to arthritis. The good news? Spinach is a potent anti-inflammatory food. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can be incredibly beneficial for managing conditions like arthritis and chronic pain. So if you're looking for a natural way to fight inflammation and support your overall health, adding more spinach to your diet is a fantastic strategy. Spinach, your health's new best friend. So there you have it, folks. Spinach is truly a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a standing ovation. From boosting heart health and supporting digestion to strengthening bones and protecting your vision, this leafy green does it all. If you're looking for delicious and easy ways to add more spinach to your meals, be sure to check out the link in the video description for a plant-based recipe cookbook. It's packed with creative and mouth-watering recipes that will make you fall in love with spinach and other wonderful vegetables all over again. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you like to incorporate spinach into your meals? Do you have any favorite spinach recipes? I'd love to hear your tips and tricks for making the most of this incredible superfood.